Thank you so much for joining in today. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so then you can get notifications on all my new weekly art lessons. And this time up, I decided to do another little experiment. I'm going to be using food coloring instead of watercolors. And I have there in a little tray off on the side, I have a few colors there. They were the only colors that came in my kit. So there's blue, green, red, and yellow. And like I said, I have a little bit of each, and I did add some water to them. And then you can see here in this demonstration how well they actually perform. And on the sheet there, I had a little bit of some samples. The blue was really bright and vivid, so was the yellow. And of course, I know mine were a little bit more intense. I did it on purpose for the demonstration so you could really see the color in the video, but you can add a little bit extra water if you didn't want the colors as bright. So just if you wanted to tone it down a little bit, you would just add more water. And overall, I think it was pretty decent. I think it was definitely a fun experiment, something different. Or maybe if you were interested in, trying to save a little bit of money, you could experiment with the food coloring, because sometimes watercolors can be a little on the expensive side depending on what brands you're using. So it's nice to have options. And thank you so much for watching.